Can you answer this question about standard deviation? Between what two numbers do 99% of all the data fall? So remember, this is a bell curve or the normal distribution of data. It starts out here in the middle with the average, and then we have our first standard deviation, our second standard deviation, and our third standard deviation. So what two numbers are 99% of the data going to fall between? So you can see the number here, 76 and 64 are the numbers. This is because 68% of the data is going to fall between the first standard deviation, 95% of the data is going to fall between the second standard deviation, and 99% of the data is going to fall between the third standard deviation. Now let's look at this question. 68% of the data fall between 50 and 80. However, this question is asking what is the standard deviation? So we can see X bar here is our average, and it falls between 50 and 80. So we have to find the difference between these two numbers, which is 30. And then we have to divide it by 2 because we have to add it and subtract it. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So this means that X bar is 65. 65 plus 15 is 80, and 65 minus 15 is 50. So the standard deviation for this graph is 15.